Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have your PAN and Aadhaar details, plus the mobile number you want linked. Once ready, select the online route. The UIDAI portal or Aadhaar app speeds things up, or get the paper form if required. Make sure your phone receives OTPs and that you can upload a clear photo of documents. Start the process now. Entering accurate PAN and Aadhaar numbers prevents delays and reduces the chance of rejection later. You now enter PAN and Aadhaar numbers exactly as they appear because mismatches cause failures. Once done, request the OTP sent to the mobile currently linked with Aadhaar and type it promptly. OTP windows are short. After OTP verification, review fields and upload any requested document images or scan forms. Make sure names and dates match across records. If they do not, correct them first. This stage is the most detail-sensitive, so proceed slowly and double-check each entry. You finish by submitting and waiting for a confirmation message or a reference ID. Save that immediately as it tracks your request. If the request is rejected, read the reason and correct the specific mismatch, then resubmit. For persistent failures, such as biometric or name mismatch issues, visit an Aadhaar center or call support to update records. Make sure to carry originals. When in doubt, escalate with the reference ID. It speeds up.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.